Hey, welcome back everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. If you haven't already done so, please click subscribe to get the latest and greatest on my new video content. Today we're going to be discussing multiplying monomials. Specifically, we're going to be looking at two cases. The first will be product of powers, and the second will be power of a power. Let's get started. Well, just what is a monomial? A monomial is a single term such as x to the 7th or x to the 6th or just x, whereas a polynomial would be something that is made up of more than one term such as x squared plus 1 or x cubed plus x. That's a polynomial. Let us look at an example for product of powers. Suppose we had 3x to the 5th multiplied by x to the 7th. In order to do this, we can think of this as multiplying two powers. The first is 3x to the 5th and the second is x to the 7th. X to the 7th we can think of as really as 1 times x to the 7th. So we can begin by saying 3 times 1, which is just 3, and then x to the 5th multiplied by x to the 7th, which is 3. And then since they're both in terms of x, we can say x and add the exponents 5 plus 7, which is equal to 3x to the 12th. Suppose I had another example, 3a squared b to the 5th multiplied by minus 5a cubed b squared. We can solving this by multiplying the constants, 3 multiplied by minus 5, so we write 3 multiplied by minus 5, followed by a squared multiplied by a cubed, a squared multiplied by a cubed, and then finally b to the 5th multiplied by b squared, b to the 5th multiplied by b squared. Simplifying this, 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. A squared times a cubed is a to the 5th, and b to the 5th times b squared is b to the 7th. Therefore, this would be minus 15 a to the 5th b to the 7th. Let's now look at power of a power. Suppose I had 2 cubed, all squared, and then raised to the 4th power. We can proceed from starting from the inside and working our way out. So we would have 2 cubed squared would be multiplied by 2 and then raised to the 4th power, which would be 2 to the 6th raised to the 4th power, which is just 2 6 times 4, which is 2 to the 24th. Let us look at another example. Power of 1, all squared, and then cubed. So we would begin from the inside, working out. So I'd say 3 squared, and then cubed, which would be 3 squared times 3, which is 3 to the power of 6. Let us look at another example. Suppose I had 3 to the power of a to the power of b and finally to the power of c. We can rewrite this as 3a times b times c. I hope you enjoyed this lesson on multiplying monomials, where we looked at product of powers and power of a power. Please click like, subscribe, comment below. Look forward to seeing you in future lessons. Have a great day. Bye-bye.